Your question is evaluate cos alpha, cos beta, cos alpha, sin beta, minus sin alpha, minus sin beta, cos beta 0. Sin alpha, cos beta, sin alpha, sin beta, cos alpha. So we have to solve it. So now we can say detergent is equal to what we will get. See this. So just we will go for from here. Here 0 is there. Either we can take the row 2 or the column 3. Anything you can take. So just we will go for the column wise. So first is positive. So positive, that means we will get minus sin alpha minus sin alpha into now. So just product this. So we will get minus sin alpha and sin square beta. And here minus of, here we will get cos beta, and this means it will be sin alpha and cos square beta. Next we have 0, need not to solve it. Why means 0 into any numbers or any terms gives you 0. So here again comes positive. So we will write here plus cos alpha. So now solve it. So here we have to multiply this and this. So we will get cos alpha cos square beta minus into minus is plus now. So here comes your cos alpha and sin square beta. So that is equal to, we can say, minus sin alpha, and here if you see this minus sin alpha and minus sin alpha is common in both. So here it will come as minus sin alpha, and in bracket you will get sin square beta plus cos square beta. If you comes here plus cos alpha, here cos alpha and cos alpha is common. So again you will get cos square beta plus sin square beta. So we know that sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1. That is the identity. So this is 1 and this is also 1. So what we will get, see this. So we will get here minus into minus is plus. Sin alpha into sin alpha is sin square alpha. And this will be plus cos square alpha. Again this will go to your identity, that is equal to 1. So therefore if you evaluate this, you will get 1.